My AC on my ceiling crack, smoking killer. Like my bank account 100 racks, smoking killer. I pull up in that black on black, smoking killer. My AC on my ceiling crack, smoking killer. I wake up in this state of mind, like sky's the limit. My nigga strapped you across the line, well I'm gon' kill you. I'm focused on $1 million cash, that's the vision. Speeding and I'm finna crash, that's the feeling. But till my tires burn out and my wheels give out, these backwoods burn slow, like my bills dish out. When the people come for you, they gon' steal your house. Put your name on their papers, they gon' fill you out. Couple moves from your quota, come fuck up your count. How you thinkin' bounce back when you out? Look, I'm tiptoeing over traps, tight roping at a height, you fall, you know, and it's a wrap. But I'ma keep this balance, cause it ain't no turning back. Ain't no looking down, my niggas ain't concerned with that. They're more concerned with cash, more concerned with running laps, running rap, getting rich than running back. My AC on my ceiling crack, smoking killer. Like my bank account 100 racks, smoking killer. I pull up in that black on black, smoking killer. My AC on my ceiling crack, smoking killer. Yeah, nah. What's the deal, nigga? What's the deal, nigga? How you feel now? You know this shit is real, nigga. Once upon a time was in the field, nigga. Wartime, really kill nigga. Gunfire, shooting out civils, nigga. Young wild, police gon' deal with you. Not too many still living, so I gotta paint it real vivid. I'm surprised that I'm here, nigga. No, I'm blind to my fears, nigga. I shine like the beers, nigga. And fly like a leer, nigga. And climb like the stairs, nigga. Spend time out in Paris, nigga. Come from where the grannies gotta bury niggas. And money make these hoes wanna marry niggas. On my ceiling crack, smoking killer. Like my bank account 100 racks, smoking killer. I pull up in that black on black, smoking killer. My AC on my ceiling crack, smoking killer. I think about them late nights, drive to Vegas, cross the state lines. Finally did it, it just take time. Since I was yay high, my only goal was get this cake right. And what they say, right? You on your own is what you make life. So you was out there every day, right? Tryna push foreign, tryna eat steak, right? Put some hundreds in your safe, right? Hang some flat screens in your place, right? Life insurance just in case, right? Gave some to the lawyer just in case, right? Sitting solo first class on a straight flight. I remember waiting on my daylight. Every day I'm on this paper chase light. Stand between these buildings till the daylight. Wiggle through the prisons and the grave sites. Then you finally get it. My AC on my ceiling crack, smoking killer. Like my back account 100 racks, smoking killer. I pull up in that black on black, smoking killer. My AC on my ceiling crack, smoking killer. That's right. Young Hussle. What?
Nigga, I'ma live like it's my last.
That's true.
You worried about them bitches we done had.
Not true.
Baby, I'm so focused on this cash.
That's right.
I said, baby, I'm so focused on this cash. She wanna roll cause she see me in that ride. But I ain't got no time, gotta put her on the side. You can't come between it. No, you can't come between baby, it. I'm so focused on this cash.
Nah, VS bezel my roll, perfected my roll, focus my mind. It got to this dough, one of a kind. Not like what you know, true to my oath. Ain't proud of my growth. I come from the turf, I double my worth. I made some mistakes, but that's just part of my search. They connect with my word, right at the part where it hurts. This life is a bitch. My hand up her skirt, had a thirst to get rich. Couple stains on my shirt, every reason to fail, but we was making it work. We was walking on water, you could say it was church. All this money I'm making, every day I'm a splurge. Boy,
nigga, I'ma live like it's my last. Worry about them bitches we done had. Baby, I'm so focused on this cash. I said, baby, I'm so focused on this cash. She on the road cause she see me in that ride. I ain't got no time, gotta put her on the side. You can't come between it. You can't come between it. I'm so focused on this cash.
Yeah, we on that Clico and Kush. All your buttons I push. We pull up in that Benz. All them pictures they took. Paparazzi gon' fly. That's cause both of us hot. Ain't no limit like Percy, but we like Jada and Pac. Let's invest in these stocks. Let's vacate on these yachts. Let's go chill out in Bali. Let's make a tape and let's watch. Let's buy 2 of those watches. Let's go do it on college. Let's fly out to Atlanta. You play that role, got you poppin'. I fuck with your style. You should be somebody's stylist. Every time we have sex, you make the noises the loudest. Faces you making, paper I'm chasing. If I make you my girl, you ask if I could be faithful. Stuck to these streets, sprung on this loop. Addicted to crime, but I'm attracted to you. Pull up in that Porsche, then hop in that coupe. Pull off in that Benz, that's me and that's you.
Nigga, I'ma live like it's my last. Worry about them bitches we done had. Baby, I'm so focused on this cash. I said, baby, I'm so focused on this cash. She on the road cause she see me in that ride. I ain't got no time, gotta put her on the side. You can't come between it. You can't come between it. I'm so focused on this cash.
Yeah, girl, your sex the best. Hickeys on your neck, love the way you dress. Plus that pussy wet, do it till you sweat. And your hair a mess. How you late for work, but you been caring less. You been living more, you been letting go. You been having fun, just to let me know that you down the ride, you down the road. You know the game, and how I go.
Nigga, I'ma live like it's my last. Worry about them bitches we done had. Baby, I'm so focused on this cash. I said, baby, I'm so focused on this cash. She on the road cause she see me in that ride. I ain't got no time, gotta put her on the side. You can't come between it. You can't come between it. I'm so focused on this cash.